Hi, Detola here. I'm so excited that you are here. I'm not sure about you, but I have been in a season where I just feel like the Lord is calling me to be part of a community that is focused on growing without the distraction of social media. There's so much noise out there. There's so much distraction. You're trying to grow, you're trying to build relationships online, but for some reason, the distractions just keep pulling you in. And so one of the decisions we've made as a family, the Super Okimom community, is to move our group off of Facebook onto our own private area called the Super Okimom community. And I would love for you to come join us. I'm going to be running a webinar on the 21st of October at 8:15 p.m. BST, where I'll be sharing what this means, what the inspiration behind this, and some of the benefits that you will gain when you join this new amazing community. And I would really love to see you there. So if you identify as a super working mom, if you identify with my voice, if you would love to be part of a community of kingdom women, kingdom moms who are growing together, who are doing life together, who are excelling together, then you want to come join us in our space. So all you need to do is sign up. It's free to join the webinar, the open house webinar, and it's also free to join the community. So sign up, and I will see you on the 21st of October at 8:15 p.m. Take care.